Hello everyone, thank you for joining me in this video. Today I will talk about the modifications that have to be done, and I will show you how we did for this room in this hot area. Generally it's in Mombasa, Kenya. The temperatures are too high, so if you are new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to my channel below. You can leave your comment, just give it a like, and you will help the channel grow. Thank you very much. Now the first thing that we have to look at is the height of the structure. The height of the structure should be one of the things that we have to look at. It should be as high as possible. So the roof, that is, should be as high as possible. We know very well that the lower the roof, the higher the temperature in the structure, and vice versa. So make sure that the roof is as high as possible. 3 meters and above is well to go. Number two, once after putting that into consideration, number two is the ceiling. You note that the ceiling, from the roof to the ceiling, there must be, let's say, 1 to 2 feet. The air between the ceiling and the roof is normally there to act as an insulator, meaning that the temperatures that the roof conduct from the sun, then those temperatures are being let's say killed between that layer, that is between the roof and the ceiling. There in between, that the temperature in there is killed. What I'm meaning is that the air acts as an insulator, so the heat is not able now to penetrate from that air, then penetrate the ceiling, then to the room. It's not able to do that. So therefore, that's why we are putting the ceiling. The ceiling is there to make sure that the temperature inside the structure is as low as possible. The other thing that we are doing, the other modification, is on the sides. Remember, not all the sides that are to be covered, but just some sides whereby we don't receive the direct sunlight. Those sides that do not receive direct sunlight won't be totally covered. The side that have to be covered totally is that side that receive direct sunlight. If you have to cover, you can use a concrete wall or a double wall. This double wall, you can just use a simple material like the plywood or the blockboard. You just use double. The other parts that are not totally covered, those sides will allow air in and air out, so the circulation of air. And these sides we are using the mesh wire and the greenhouse net or shade net. Having done that, then you are sure that the circulation of air here will be very nice, in and out, to make sure that the room is as cool as possible. The other modification that we are doing to make sure that this room is as low as possible, the temperature is as low as possible, is by making sure that we put a very nice floor. Very nice floor. You may notice that in a hydroponic structure, watering is being done now and then. So in one time or another, there will be water going to the floor. Now, whenever there is water going to the floor, then that means that that water or that floor will be cooling the room, will be cooling the room. So therefore, just make sure that you put a very nice floor, and do not forget to put the drainage outside, the drainage. Remember, I said that whenever you are doing this hydroponic fodder, do not do water recycling. So that means don't collect the water to use it back in the hydroponic work. You can use it elsewhere, but not inside the hydroponic structure, because we say that whenever we have a problem in one tray or another, that problem may be circulated to other trays because of water recycling. So that's why I discouraged recycling of water. The other thing that have to be done to make sure that the temperatures are as low as possible is by placing this fan. The fan has also to have a timer or thermostat, and this thermostat is the one that now that will be operating the fan. Whenever the temperatures exceed the required, then the fan is put on automatically. So that the fan normally operates automatically, and is able to make sure that the temperatures within the room is as low as possible. Remember, this fan does not have a lot of work to do. Because a lot of investment has been done on this room to make sure that the temperatures are as low as possible. So therefore, the fan will just work very nice, because we don't have a lot of high temperatures in there, and therefore the temperatures, it will be able to counter the temperature that exceeds the required temperatures. Now, I don't think we also have other things. Remember, here now in tropics, we have to encounter the problem with high temperatures. In polars, the temperatures are so low, so the problem is that the temperatures are so low. When the temperatures are so low, the fodder will grow, but will take a lot of days. So for them, what they normally do, they normally fit their rooms with heaters to make sure that they heat the room to raise the temperature that is required for the growth of this fodder. For us here in tropics, what we are doing is to make sure that the room is as low as possible, and those gadgets that has to be fit inside there are gadgets of this nature. The fan, making sure that the floor has a very nice floor, and making sure that the distance from the floor to the roof is as high as possible. Make sure that that room has a ceiling. Make sure that that room has a double walled. Whenever the side we have the sun, direct sunlight, then the other side that has not direct sunlight then have to be left open for air circulation, and not as open as I'm talking about, but you have to put the shade net under the mesh wire. This one is because we don't require any dust getting inside the structure. So this shade net normally attract dust, so does not allow the dust to get inside. Remember, whenever if your place is dusty and you just leave it open, then your fodder will start accumulating this dust, and then molds and fungus growth will be the order of the day. So the other things have to be done. The piping on the hydroponic structure. We also have doing the sprinklers, fitting the sprinklers, placing the timers, the water pump, and setting all of them, and whenever the times come, then they are able now to work very properly. So that's why you can see the beautiful fodder coming up from this room here in Mombasa. Very low temperature experienced in this room. If you can go to other rooms, I tell you, you will feel better while in this room. Whenever you enter this room, then you are okay. Whenever you are in other rooms, then you will notice the difference. This is a room that is too cool. It's very cool. No, you cannot compare even with the temperatures outside the room. Thank you very much for watching. For more videos and update each and every moment I upload a new video, please do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are very new to this channel. Remember also to give it a like. Whenever you give it a like, then you are supporting the channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.